So I'm here today to talk about the BLACK+DECKER 20-volt dustbuster. This thing is roughly about $100. I actually bought it for $50 used on Amazon, and I would highly advise doing that. I want to say, first of all, the feel is very heavy, which is good. That means that it's a big engine, vacuum engine in there, and it's kind of powerful. We're going to turn it on. It's kind of loud, but I wanted you guys to hear this. Okay, so this is it vacuuming. As you see, we have some debris here. Right. There's some debris there. See how this does. Sorry if the camera's not focusing right. It's hard to hold this at the same time. But as you can tell, it's pretty loud, which is good. So the one thing it says, so check out this out. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's like hair on the seat. I actually think it's from my girlfriend, actually. But it doesn't seem to pick that up. So, but it does pick up debris, that's for certain. The hair, I don't know about that. So, long story short, it's worth buying. The debris, like between your seats, right? As well as in here. Okay, this is very fine sand, right? I get it past there, but that'll pick up. As far as the hair, I'm not seeing it. It says it picks up hair, but this is like my girlfriend. She's blonde. Like, there's still blonde hair on this thing. So just keep that in mind. It's definitely worth it. Actually, let's even do this part down here. Let's do this. 1 second, guys. So like I said, the debris stuff, A+. No problem. No problems at all. And it really depends how much you want to go over this, right? I'm just kind of doing a video on this just to show you. But like I said, the hair thing, I'm not seeing it, man. It still doesn't pick it up. So the vacuum engine is very big. It's kind of heavy, actually. So just keep that in mind. But I'd buy this. I'm not sure, $100 though. Like I said, I bought it for like $50 all in, used on Amazon. So just keep that in mind.
Hi, I usually don't do reviews, but I really have been looking forward to this BLACK+DECKER 20-volt vacuum cleaner, and I thought I would show it off. Check it out. It's got this extension nozzle, and it's got this brush. It's super lightweight, and listen to it roar.
Hey everyone, just a quick video review of this 20-volt BLACK+DECKER handheld vac. It works great. It's got a great convenient charging stand, regular outlet plug-in, super well made. But what I was most interested in, not only suction power, but this. So FYI, it's loud, but it works really well. So happy shopping. Bye.
This is our second one. It just arrived. Best purchase ever. So handy for kids and pets. It's amazing.
Got it today. Try different power outlets. And it's not charging. Brand new. Not charging.
So much air blows out, and it barely even sections, and you can't even take that little thingy off.